What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a coil pack on your 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now it is getting a little dark out, but I'm going to just show you guys really quick. The only tools you're really going to need are a basic socket set with a ratchet. You're not going to need anything crazy. You might need a little extension, but you can use, whatever size you want, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, whatever size ratchet and sizes you got. I do have just little Pittsburgh kit right here, which is going to work perfect. I'm trying to hurry up and record this before it gets dark. So you have a bolt right there, a bolt right there, a bolt right there, and a bolt right there. There are only 4 bolts holding on this coil rail, and there's a clip in the back right there. I'll put a little arrow in the video, and all you need to do is just push down a little tab in the back, and then it'll pop right out. And yeah, so I'm going to start by loosening up these bolts. Now the size you're going to need, you can use a little 1/2 inch, or you could use a size 14 millimeter. The reason why I say 1/2 inch you can use it is because those bolts are not really that tight and you're not really going to strip them. Even though 14 millimeter socket is the right socket to use, you can still use a 1/2 inch. Now this is my brand new coil pack. This was also a brand new coil pack, but it had a defect from the factory or whatever manufacturer made it. So I ended up trading it in and got a brand new coil pack instead. And hopefully this one works. It's pretty much the same way to install it as uninstall it, but I'm going to show you a little tricks and stuff on how to get it on the spark plug and stuff like that. So when you go ahead and install it, you just got to snake them underneath these coolant lines right here. Put them underneath. All you have to do is snake them under. I can't really do it with one hand, but I'm gonna get them in there for you and then show you how to kind of line them up with the spark plugs. All right, now that you got it in there, you really got to make sure that you line up the rubber boots with these spark plugs, because I've seen in a lot of instances they don't actually line up and people don't put the boot on fully and then the engine starts to misfire. So you really have to make sure that the boot is on there good. Make sure you line it up with the spark plug so it doesn't misfire. All right, so have everything tight. Now I'm gonna see if the Jeep starts. Should. I plugged it back in. Everything seems to be good, so let's give it a shot. All right, see if she runs. Yes, she does run, but still got a misfire on one cylinder. Darn. Not too sure on why. Oh well. Alright. Still needs some diagnosis. Oh well. But anyway, guys, I know it's hard to see me, but that is how you install a new coil rail on your 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4-liter. Now this does work with, I think, 99 through 04. I think that's how long the WJ Jeep Grand Cherokee year went for. So it should be the same process for all of those years, but the problem still continues to be here, and not too sure what it is, but I will figure it out. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, guys, I fixed it. All right, ignore the check engine light. It actually drives. Okay, so I figured out the problem. I don't even know if you guys can see me right. I don't even know if you guys can see me right now. But remember when I was saying make sure that all of the boots go over the spark plugs correctly? Yeah, listen to that, because I was pissed because I thought it still didn't work, but it actually does work. So you have to make sure that those boots are on the spark plugs, because sometimes they don't all line up and the boot is like kind of on but not really on, or it's above the spark plug, or just not fully seated on the spark plug properly. But just make sure that they are completely on the spark plugs. My issue is solved. The Jeep runs great. Only problem with it now is that my exhaust is literally just, I don't know what happened. My muffler literally blew up from it getting way too much fuel from misfiring or whatever, or just like dumping fuel out the valve, and my muffler literally just like blew up. So I need to get a new exhaust put on the car, but I'm gonna save that for another video. Obviously, I'm just so happy that this thing actually runs and drives and works, so I don't have to use my Mustang all the time, and I can load crap in the back of this if I don't care. Yeah, so I have a bunch of video ideas I want to do with this, but let's drink a beer to this victory today. And you know, she finally runs and she works good. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video on this, or the Mustang, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys later.